Hey channel, welcome to my guys. Hey, welcome channel to my guys. Hey guys, channel to my welcome.
Hi guys, Lockdown 3.0 already started and we people don't even know how long it gonna stay. By the way, good news for our alcoholic friends because government already declared and given the permission to open the alcohol shops. So you people not only get a chance to die with liver cirrhosis, they are also giving a chance to die earlier with corona and the liver cirrhosis together. Now choice is yours. Now come to the main point. I think you people already saw the title of the video. Today I am going to select the best 10 Hollywood movies of all time in my opinion. Before starting the topic briefly, I want to point out that there are thousands of good movies in Hollywood history. Among them, it's too hard and tough to pick 10 selective movies. So if anyone think that the upcoming 10 movies are going to be some fictional characterized superhero movies or movies that pumps up the adrenaline in no time, then I think that will not gonna happen. The movie that I have selected are more in realistic side and will definitely make a positive impact on everyone. I can surely say that 3 to 4 movies are among them those you have never watched before. Lastly, before starting, I want to inform you that I will not reveal the whole plot of the movie or spoil it. I will just give an overview only. Coming to number 10, The Illusionist. This movie is basically based on Stephen Miller House's written story Eisenheim the Illusionist. It was directed and scripted by Neil Barger and released in the year 2006. It is an American romantic mystery film and that has a unique taste of thriller also. Edward Norton's great acting and the roleplay of an illusionist with an impeccable attitude made the movie worth to watch. According to the movie, a teenage boy named Eisenheim fell in love with a girl from high society named Sophie, but the society didn't accept their relationship and separated by force. Just few minutes before separation, Sophie asked Eisenheim to do a magic or anything like that to forbid their separation, but eventually that was not possible. So unfortunately, the worst happened to them and they got separated. From that moment, the movie started to build up. The movie is totally a gem, even based on real illusions and science. No magic or no hookum. The attitude of Edward Norton's character will surely make you clap. And the last ending of the movie will definitely blow your mind and head. That's my promise. So please watch that movie if you want a romantic thriller entertainment right now.
I shall follow.
Number 9, Inception, released in 2010. This movie was directed by the scientific mind Christopher Nolan. It is a science fiction action film starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Ken Watanabe, Alan Page, and others. This movie is all about our subconscious memory and deep dreamy worlds. Leonardo DiCaprio's movie character, Cobb, is an extractor who can penetrate thoughts into others' dreams with the help of modern technologies and sharing the dreamy world. Cobb and his team make dream within a dream strategy to replace new thoughts and memories in a businessman's son for some professional corporate reasons. But will they able to replace the thoughts properly within the specific time, or they will fail and get caught? You have to find it yourself. This movie has a lot of dreamy layers and dimensional complexities, but in every moment it will make you thrilled through its Oscar-winning cinematography and sound effect.
This was not a part of the plan!
Wake me up! Wake me up!
Coming to number 8, Schindler's List. This is one of my personal favorite. It is a 1993 American historical drama film directed by Steven Spielberg. It was probably based on the real-life novel Schindler's Ark by Australian novelist Thomas Kennelly. This movie plays the time of Second World War's the Holocaust period from 1941 to 1945 when Germans invade into Poland and kill nearly 60 lakhs Polish Jews brutally. Yes, the number was 60 lakhs. Can you imagine the number? In this movie, it follows Oskar Schindler, a wealthy German businessman who together with his wife Emily saved more than 1200 Jewish refugees from the brutal killing by employing them in his factories during the World War II. Liam Neeson played the role of Oskar Schindler in the movie. This movie won 7 Oscars, and to clarify the reason of winning, you definitely have to watch the movie. This movie will teach us if you have the power of money, whiskey and girls attraction, then don't waste those to destroy yourself. Being a proper human, use those to save others' lives. The real-time barbaric scenes of the World War killing will definitely remind you why civilized people should avoid any type of World War in the future. Number 7. Charlie Chaplin in Modern Times, released in 1936. We all know about our favorite comedian, Charlie Chaplin, but I know you people will feel a bit amused that one of his films grabbed a spot in my top 10 list. Just a fact to tell, Chaplin was not only a comedian, he was a movie director, producer, scriptwriter, music director, lead actor, and even an editor himself in all in one. This masterpiece American silent comedy film was written and directed by Chaplin himself. The movie portrays Chaplin's cramped character. This movie was released on 1936. That was nearly about 85 years ago, but still it fits in our modern lifestyle now. Struggle like unemployment, poverty, cruelty, government pressure, cultural pressure, and various other things were portrayed in this film. In the time of 2020, one should definitely watch this movie, and it will surely teach you whether you failed thousands of times, even get caught hundreds of times by the police, but don't even dare to stop following your dreams. Number 6. Joker, released in 2019. Many of us already have seen this movie, and I guess they will accept my decision to give this movie on the 6th spot in my list. This is an American psychological thriller film directed and produced by Todd Phillips, who co-wrote the screenplay with Scott Silver. The movie actually based on DC Comics characters stars Joaquin Phoenix as the Joker. According to the plot, in 1981, party clown and aspiring stand-up comedian Arthur Fleck lives with his mother Penny in Gotham City. Arthur suffered from a medical disorder that causes him to laugh in uncomfortable and inappropriate situations. Even he got teased and people made fun of him without any reasons. Despite those problems, he was leading an honest and socialized life with his mother. Later some days, he came to know about some of his dark childhood secrets. He came to know that his life was always unfair to him in every situation, and the society never give a damn about that. From that very moment of realization, the entry of Joker occurred in the movie. The mind-blowing Oscar-winning acting of Joaquin Phoenix will amuse your brain, and you will definitely worth watching the movie till the last second.
I used to think that my life was a tragedy, but now I realize it's a fucking comedy. How about another joke, Murray?
No, I think we've had enough of your jokes.
What do you fucking deserve?
Number 5. Interstellar. Interstellar is a 2014 epic science fiction film directed, co-written and co-produced by Christopher Nolan. It starred Matthew McConaughey, Annie Hathaway, Jessica Chastain and others. According to the plot, in the near future around the American Midwest, Cooper, an ex-science engineer and pilot, is tied to his farming land with his daughter Murph and son Tom. As devastating sandstorms ravage Earth's crops, the people of Earth realize that their life here is coming to an end as food begins to run out. So NASA gets connected with Cooper for his excellent piloting skills and makes a team of scientists to send them into a wormhole in order to find a new home while Earth decays and save the human race by finding another habitable planet. Now you have to watch the movie to know the fact that will they survive or not, or if they survive, then how will be the future world. This movie is a masterpiece of Nolan, where all the toughest physics theories like wormhole theory of the Einstein field equations, general theories of relativity, time travel, four-dimensional theory are applied. The cinematography of the movie will blow your mind. This movie will totally take you into the space near inside the stars. Even I should warn you that if you are a guy who is cosmophobic or astrophobic, then dare to watch this movie. Number 4. 12 Angry Men. 12 Angry Men is a 1957 American courtroom drama film directed by Sidney Lumet. It was adapted from a teleplay of the same name by Reginald Rose. As the movie plot, a 12-man jury is sent to begin deliberations in the fast-dig murder trial of an 18-year-old Puerto Rican boy accused in the stabbing and death of his own father. The alibis and the fact were not clear and fully proven. So the 12-man jury is made. Their decision is full and final, and if the boy proved guilty, then he too will be prosecuted to death by the custody. Often we normal people talk about justice before knowing the truth and the facts. Sometimes all the accused that are charged are not the real culprits, and this movie will show us the morals and values of the real courtroom judgments. So please watch the movie. It's my personal suggestion.
One man is dead. Another man's life is at stake. If there's a reasonable doubt in your minds as to the guilt of the accused, a reasonable doubt, then you must bring me a verdict of not guilty. Now, if, however, there's no reasonable doubt, then you must, in good conscience, find the accused guilty. However you decide, your verdict must be unanimous. In the event that you find the accused guilty, the bench will not entertain a recommendation for mercy. The death sentence is mandatory in this case.
Number 3. 1917. 1917 is a 2019 war film directed, co-written and produced by Sam Mendes. The film stars George Mackay and Dean Charles Chapman mainly in leading roles. This movie tells the story of two young British soldiers during the First World War who are sent to deliver an urgent message to an isolated regiment. If the message is not delivered in time, the regiment will walk into a trap and be massacred. To get the regiment, they need to cross through enemy territory, and this is the only option to stop 1600 men from walking straight into a deadly trap. The main points that I liked in the movie for its cinematography, visual effects and sound mixing. The cinematography will make you a part of the war. It will feel like to be in the real war field. This movie even got 3 Oscars for its great visual works. As my personal opinion, this movie is the best movie of last year. Number 2. The Shawshank Redemption. It is a 1994 American drama film written and directed by Frank Darabont. The film was mainly based on the 1982 Stephen King novella Rita Hayworth and Shawshank Redemption. The movie stars Tim Robbins and Morgan Freeman in the lead roles. Starting of the movie, it tells the story of a banker, Andy Dufresne, who is sentenced to a lifelong imprisonment in Shawshank State Jail for the murders of his wife and her lover, despite his claims of innocence. After that, I will not tell a single sentence about the movie. You have to watch it yourself to know the later life of the innocent banker in the prison. This movie holds the record of holding #1 position and the best rated movie in IMDb for the past 2 decades and still going on. I personally watched this movie more than 10 times.
The funny thing is, on the outside, I was an honest man, straight as an arrow. I had to come to prison to be a crook. Get busy living, you get busy dying.
Now finally coming to number 1. Do you people have any guess? Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is a 1994 American comedy drama film directed by Robert Zemeckis and written by Eric Roth. It is based on 1986 novel of the same name by Winston Groom. Tom Hanks was in the lead role as Forrest Gump in this movie. According to the movie, Forrest Gump is a simple man with a low IQ but having good intentions. He lives with his mother who teaches him the good ways of life and leaves him to choose his destiny. He grows up with his best friend, a beautiful girl named Jenny. Later in his life, many problems and consequences came. But the man Forrest Gump always had good intentions and wise thoughts for others. He was honest, hardworking, and a simple obeying in nature. This movie will show that even having only good intentions for others and hard work without having an IQ can even help one to achieve a good life and success. This film contains simple storyline but with many inner meaning and moral values. That's why it grabbed 6 Oscars. This movie will definitely inspire you. It's my promise.
Go! What's your sole purpose in this army?
To do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant.
God damn it, Gump! You're a goddamn genius. That's the most outstanding answer I've ever heard. You must have a goddamn IQ of 160. You are goddamn gifted, Private Gump.
What's my destiny, Mom?
You're gonna have to figure that out for yourself. Life is a box of chocolates, Forrest. You never know what you're gonna get.
Mama always had a way of explaining things so I could understand them.
I will miss you, Forrest.
So that's it for today. Hope you like my movie selections and hope those movies will definitely make a positive impact in you. For more videos like this, please inspire me by subscribing my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye.